Welcome back to FOMCS educational videos. Today we will continue introducing more features. Educational video, Yacht Chartering Department, Part 1. For this video, we will use the Charters menu. From here you can check for availabilities, make offers, set options, and set bookings. Click on Check Availability. Please note that for using this option, only sections with red asterisks are obligatory to fill up. First, select the period of the charter, upon request from customer or agency. For embarkation, you can either select the country, region, or a specific base. As default, one way is selected as no. If you select yes, it's mandatory to fill up this embarkation country, region, or base. There are also additional filters that you can use as number of guests, cabins for guests, cabins for crew. Determine the repeat customer status or select any. You can select multiple boat categories or leave it blank for all. You can select multiple boat builders from the list, as per request for the charter, or leave it blank for all yacht builders. Search for specific yacht by name or names as per request, or again leave it blank for all. Determine the parameters for the built year. If you click on Search, additional filter options appear for you to narrow down your search. For the charter type, you can select crude, bareboat, or both of them, or any. You can determine search parameters for final price including taxes, according to the request from customer or agency. Select the number of toilets or showers for guests, and determine the length overall in meters if necessary. Select the smoking permissions throughout the yacht and miscellaneous options if required. Let's do a more general search for this lecture. These are the available yachts for the selected dates and country. Last disembarkation base with the date and details from the previous booking or option are shown if there is such. Let's click one of the yachts. From here you can review general information of the yacht, its inventory, extras and optional pricing details. Please note that the ones marked with asterisks are obligatory. And charter price details for this period. You can go into the boat's details from here. Open up broker-friendly e-brochure. An e-brochure that you can share with your contacts. Let us select another yacht for this period. You can also select the available yachts all at once from here, or one at a time as you see fit. You can move on to offer section with the selected yachts from here, or give them options from here. But please note that, with multiple yachts selected, you can't give options to all of them at the same time with the same charter dates. And you can directly turn the period into booking with the selected yacht from here. Let us move on to offer section with these selected yachts. After you press it, the selected boats are shown with charter details. If there is an agency in between, you can select them from here. If the agency you want is not present within the database, you can create them from here. If you choose a different percentage of commission, then this will be calculated on all your selected boats in the offer. Either way, the commission amount is calculated and added to the final price. If you have defined discounts for this charter in the payment policy for the yacht, they will be shown in the pricing details. And if the total discounts are greater than maximum available discount, then maximum discount will be applied. Let us select the customer that requested this charter from the database. If they are not present within the list, you can create a new customer with details from here. If you have no information about the customer, you can create a test example that you can also use for these kind of situations in the future. After you have selected them, repeat customer discount as shown in the pricing, if it's selected during the search phase and defined in the payment policy of the charter. As next, let's select the embarkation and disembarkation bases for the charter. This notification appears because the last disembarkation from the previous charter is on the same date with the requested embarkation with different bases. The system is calculating the delay for the embarkation and giving us a warning about it. Next, select the disembarkation base. As you can see, there is contradiction for the selected disembarkation base again. We agree to proceed with the delay as an example. After selecting the bases, additional pricing for the empty run from last disembarkation, next embarkation, and the empty run for the selected route has been added. If you don't want to charge your customer for them, you can disable them from here. This yacht has also APA stated in its price list, which can be deselected for the offer that the customer will receive. Let us also select the bases for the second yacht. As you can see, there is contradiction for the selected date again, so let us select a different base. Once again, you can deselect the charge for the empty run and for the APA. For offer notes, you can write general information to be seen by the customer or the agency regarding the charter. Notes will appear for the yacht selected as one and not separately shown. After all is done, click on Save Offer. Now let us click on Edit to access the offer we have just created. Click on PDF to view the offer as a PDF sheet. From here you can choose to print the offer or download it to share with message applications or email. From these clickable links, customers or agencies can access the boat's preview or extras and details regarding the charter. From here you can choose to change the offer into option or booking, which will be explained in the coming lectures. You can delete the selected offer from here. Use search function to reach specified information. Use filters above to narrow down your search. You can print, copy, or get exports of the current list in Excel or PDF format from here. And this concludes first part of the Yacht Chartering Department. See you in part 2.